Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to switch off and on your passenger's airbag on a Skoda Fabia. So let's have a seat at the driver's side position. If you are looking on the right side, you can see the area of the passenger's airbag. This passenger's airbag we are going to switch off because you are going to install children's seat with a head to the rear of the car on the passenger side. In this case, the airbag has to switch off because of emergency. So now let's open this compartment over there, and on the right side you can see a lock. This lock contains the on and off position of the airbag system. If you are using your ignition key to switch this key or lock to the off position, your airbag system is off. There it is. And if you now run or start your Skoda, you can see in the center of the car that the passenger's airbag system is off. The other airbag systems are still working well. Only the front passenger airbag is now switched off, and this LED will get you information about this. To switch it in the on position back, the only thing you have to do is switch the lock to the on position, and then let's try. We are starting the engine, starting the car, and here you can see passenger's airbag information system is on. Good job. This on information will switch off after a couple of minutes. So now you can see the passenger's airbag system is online. Now, if the LED on the right side is on, that means the passenger's airbag system is off. And if you disassemble the children's seat on the passenger side, you have to switch the airbag system on immediately. This is important. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.